Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DALL and ChatGPT for marketing images with Zapier, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect DALL and ChatGPT for marketing images using Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up for free. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Trigger section, search for ChatGPT and select it. Choose a trigger event, such as new message or new request. Click Continue to set up the trigger. Connect your ChatGPT account by clicking on the Sign in to ChatGPT button. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your ChatGPT account. After successfully connecting, customize the trigger setup according to your requirements. Click Test Trigger to ensure everything is functioning properly. Next, move to the Action section and search for DALL. Select DALL as your action app. Choose an action event like Generate Image. Click Continue to proceed with setting up the action. Connect your DALL account by clicking Sign in to DALL. Authorize Zapier to access your DALL account by following the prompts. Once connected, customize the action fields. For example, input the prompt you want DALL to use for generating images. You can pull data from the ChatGPT trigger to customize this prompt further. Click Continue once you've filled in the necessary fields. Test your DALL action to ensure images are generated successfully. If everything works well, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Now, every time you receive a ChatGPT message or request, DALL will automatically generate the specified marketing image. Check your connected accounts to ensure they're functioning smoothly. Monitor Zapier for any errors or issues in the future. This setup streamlines your marketing efforts by automating image creation directly through ChatGPT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.